And when we talk about Bharat, it is not about one people. It is about a group of people coming together from different sectors. And the whole motto is to get India there. In our healthcare system, I think prevention is what we are still lacking. But I'm sure we're going to overcome that soon.
I'm Anubhav from Bharat 2.0 Conclave, an initiative by Business Viewpoint and Enterprise World Magazine. Today on the red carpet, I have with me Meenal Chandra, co-founder of Epion Pain Management Center. Hi, ma'am. It's
Hello.
a pleasure to have you with us.
Thank you.
My first question for you is, as a panelist member, what makes collaborative discussions on platforms like Bharat 2.0 so crucial today?
See, Bharat 2.0, what I came here and understood is all about growing India. And just my Bharat hai, it's all about India. So as a doctor and as an entrepreneur where I contribute my part, I need to see where are other people's, what are my thoughts and where are the people जो मेरे thoughts को, मेरे experience को, they can take it forward. So you need a collaboration, right? So I think this was the place where I found people collaborating, and I hope the journey starts from here.
Amazing. How does sharing the stage with other industry leaders challenge your own perspective?
Different people will have different perspective. Like I come from health care. There were other panelists from different sectors, right? Our views will not come and meet at one point, right? But this is how we all have come together, where there should be a meeting point, because it's not about me, it's not about the other person, it's about our India growing, right? So at some point we all will meet because we have a common thing to do. So that's how there were challenges, there are challenges, but there is a meeting point also.
Wow, that was a great answer, ma'am. What is the most pressing challenges Indian leaders must solve right now?
See, the first thing is, as a doctor, what I can say is challenges in healthcare are many, because we are a highly populated country, and we cannot tell one particular people or one particular set of leaders to do everything, but it has to come from everyone, as when healthcare is concerned. So first thing, when we talk about preventive healthcare, it has to come from your own individual thing, right? You should be aware. Your awareness should come from from your own health, what's happening, and then seeking help. So if you have something, if you are troubled with some healthcare, seek help, right? So in our healthcare system, I think prevention is what we are still lacking, but I'm sure we're going to overcome that soon.
Amazing. How can you ensure that growth of Bharat 2.0 Conclave is inclusive across all demographics?
That's what, when we talk about Bharat, it is not about one people. It is about a group of people coming together from different sectors. And the whole motto is to get India there, right? So at one point, we all have to meet. So I can tell what are the challenges I am facing. I'm sure from the people around me in this conclave, someone can come and sort out my problem, right? So, because when we do things in healthcare, we need pharmaceuticals, we need people from biomechanics, we need engineers, we need educationists. So someone will connect with me, someone will come up with an idea that will help us grow together.
Excellent. Okay, moving on to the next round, which is rapid fire.
Yeah.
A book every Indian CEO or leader must have on the desk.
The 7 signs of an effective leader. I read, not properly.
Amazing. Not best, but the biggest distractions Indian leaders have today.
The noise all around, they are with all the buzz happening, they lose on focus sometimes.
A habit you broke to become a better leader.
So previously I used to do everything on my own, and I wanted to do it to the perfect, and then I realized, no, that's not the correct way. So now I have learned to divide the work.
Excellent. If you had to write one tagline for Bharat 2.0 Conclave, what would it be?
Bharat 2.0 Conclave, Viksit Bharat, Swasth Bharat.
Excellent. Amazing. With that, we also have one other round where you have to take a ball out.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. What is the single biggest advantage Indian leaders have today on a global stage?
Indian leaders are very vocal about what they say, and they're very determined about what they say. If they say something, they stick to it. Okay, so when we raise our voice, we stick to our principles, because we all Indians come from a very basic concept. We are very grounded. So when we speak, the world listens.
Excellent. Wow, that was amazing. And with that, we have come to an end. But it was a pleasure to talk to you, ma'am.
Same here.
And it's an honor to host you. I hope you have the rest of the good day.
Yes, thank you, Anubhav. Thank you.